My name is Qhakaza Mohare, the CEO and co-founder of Digify Africa Foundation, a nonprofit based in Johannesburg, South Africa, with 14 years' experience in digital skills development. We've reached nearly 1 million learners and educators across South Africa, Kenya, and Nigeria. And today, I want to tell you about Kitso, our WhatsApp powered learning chatbot that's transforming professional development for secondary school teachers. South Africa has over 400,000 educators, but most of them working in under resourced township and rural schools with no reliable internet, no laptops, and no time for workshop based training. Our national survey of all 9 provinces found one thing in common: 96.7 of them have a smartphone. Kitso meets them there. Kitso delivers accredited professional development entirely through WhatsApp. No app download, no logins, just bite sized lessons in text, images, and voice notes that teachers complete at their own pace. But this is not a simple chatbot. It is built on our learning engineering methodology grounded in solo taxonomy and Kolb's experiential learning cycle. The AI is central. An Ask AI tool provides contextualized responses in real time, and our AI in Me curriculum covers AI fundamentals, ethics, data privacy, and classroom application. Gito is accredited by the South African Council of Educators and endorsed by our National Department of Basic Education as one of our implementing partners. Over 390,000 users have used Gito to date. We've achieved a 77.8% completion rate, which is 5 times the global digital learning benchmark. A peer reviewed study with the University of Derby confirmed that Gito's design alone significantly predicts attitude change in learners. 67.6% of our users are women, and 78% of them work in townships or rural areas. So it's safe to say we reach the teachers who need us the most. AI in education should not be a privilege for well resourced schools only. It should be an infrastructure on the phone teachers already have, and in the 5 minutes between lessons. With your recognition, many more South African educators can enter their classrooms AI ready. Thank you.